Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and taking the online classes regularly. Students, open your book which is Lower Secondary Science 2. This is for grade 7. Today, as we have started our chapter number 1, atoms and molecule. Yesterday in my previous video I have explained you the what is an atom and the structure of an atom. In this video I will explain you about the representation of an atom, that how can we represent an atom. Students, to represent an atom, circles are commonly used to represent an atom. The symbol below represents the atom of some element. I have drawn here some elements, some atoms to represent them. For example, this is H stand for hydrogen. To represent an atom, we draw a circle and inside the circle we write the symbol of that atom. This is O represents the oxygen, C represents the carbon, Na means sodium. This is an atom of chlorine. Cl mean chlorine, U mean uranium. This is an atom of uranium. So student, this is the simplest and the easiest way to represent an atom. Another way of representing different kinds of atom is by using spheres of various sizes and colors. Student, these spheres are normally held by sticks or spring in an arrangement similar to that of an atom found in a substance. Student, for example, we have a gold atom. To represent the gold atom, we draw the spheres in hexagonal shape, as gold is hexagonal in shape, so we will draw the spheres in the hexagonal form. Student, open your books at page number 3. Here at this page the representation of atom shows. In this diagram, these two diagrams shows the representation of atom in gold atom and diamond atom. Student, both are the forms of carbon, but they are different just because of the arrangement of atoms. So students, as both are the composed of carbon atom, but the difference is due to the arrangement of carbon atom. In the gold, this shape is hexagonal. The carbon atom are arranged in a hexagonal pattern. And this is a diamond. Student, in diamond, carbon atom are arranged tetrahedrally. So student, the arrangement of atom is specific in every atom. So this represents the gold. Here the spheres represent atoms and this shape represents the shape of a gold. This is a diamond. Diamond represents the tetrahedral shape. Students, so your today's topic is representation of an atom. In this video I have explained you about the easiest way to represent an atom by drawing the circle or spheres. Thank you students.